Hi guys, I'm Simon Chrétien. I'm very excited because today I can introduce you to my brand new greenhouse I just received from the team at BC Greenhouse Builders. But first, let's see how to unpack, uncrate everything and make sure everything is all set. It's a legacy model, a feature model of 8 feet by 8 feet. And it's wall glass and roof of twin wall polycarbonate. So the greenhouse came in 3 wooden crates, very well packed. And you just have to unscrew the top of the crates to gain access to the content. As you can see, the longest crate is identified as the one containing the packing list, and it also contains all the instruction manual for assembling your greenhouse, and you have the full package with also the specific drawing for your greenhouse with the special measurement you will need, like for example the door drop and adjustment of the door. The instruction and standardization assembly manual is very detailed. It contains all the instructions for all the greenhouse model of BC Greenhouse. You don't need all the pages, but you will have all the information you need for your greenhouse and even more. So very complete, very interesting. So you have the proper caulking for your greenhouse. You will have a bag with all the hardware, nuts and bolts and screw, everything you need to assemble and packed in individual small bags. Also you have foam tape, plenty of foam tape. You're more than what you need. You will use it to seal some part of the glazing. The touch-up paint, a spray can that you will have when you finish. If you have some scratches, you can use it. The automatic opener for the roof vent, and all the parts for the glass is in the biggest crate. The glass are individually bundled in a small package, identified with the dimension of each glass part that are in each small bundle. And all the framing are individually bundled with label identify where each bundle goes or how it should be used for. You will find in the last crate the polycarbonate and the door. The door is secure in the crate with a screw. You need to remove them to be able to get the door frame out of the crate. Don't leave the polycarbonate exposed to the sun before installing it, because the protective film is going to stick to it and make it difficult to remove. Use the wood for different projects like workbench for assembling your greenhouse. Simply put it on 2 sawhorses. So that's it. Let's go and install the greenhouse.